Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video, and thank you so much guys for your kind love on my first tutorial video. If you not watched yet, link in description, go and watch my first tutorial video. And today video I will teach you how to draw a, and let's start the video guys. So guys, for your easy, I teach you how to draw a with shape. Pick a graph paper and draw a straight line from one block to second block and make a triangle shape which have one vertical line and one horizontal line. First, learn how to draw a on a triangle. Draw a line on vertical line and one line on this triangle line and make a shape, half circle shape. Give a dot here, and now make a shape of water drop like this. Now to make attractive, just make your angle triangle on an angle. Give your triangle angle like this. For your easy, straight line to half of block and like this, make a triangle like this. Now same line on vertical line, triangle side line, make a shape, make a drop, water drop shape. Now practice from this side. Now practice without triangle shape. This is so easy guys. Now practice with a marker. Pick your marker like this. Like this. It's so much easy guys. Practice this. First triangle, then just give an angle to your triangle. So guys, after you practice like this, so easy to write like me, and now I attach a with all ABC words. Like this. Hope you like the video guys. Please make sure give a like to my video and comment below your opinion about my video, and if you can't subscribe my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much guys.